There's a blue dot right here. And then the current single will be right here.
So this project required that my students learn an awful lot about weather, but what caused the weather. And what my goal was for them to be able to look around the world and see that there are similar patterns for ocean currents and wind currents, and that these currents would then have similar effects in places such as coastlines and interiors of continents and islands and that sort of thing. Plus also to look, as you got further away from the equator, you could see how there would be an effect based on distance from the equator. So as a result, I had them research cities from around the continent, but also go back and look at the other students and what they saw, and have them compare similar continent or similar latitudes and see if the climates were the same. And they learned an awful lot regarding weather and atmosphere.
So me and my group, we all studied on this sticky note about the climate on Honolulu, Hawaii. And we also studied the wind pattern on Honolulu, Hawaii. And we had drawn it, and we pretty much had learned the average winter temperature and all of like what happens during the summer and what happens not during the summer. And we learned the Celsiuses and the Fahrenheits and what changes back and forth and the altitude on it. And we also learned which way the wind moves, which would be the wind pattern, and the climate is very tropical every time in Honolulu, Hawaii. I learned the ocean currents and that the wind pattern creates the storm effects or anything that happens like the climate on Honolulu, Hawaii, and all the wind patterns and all the other stuff that goes with it.